Today I am reviewing the CLX Set Gaming PC, Intel Core i9-14900KF 3.2 GHz. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The CLX Set Gaming PC is a powerhouse built for gamers and creators who demand nothing but the best. At its core, it is powered by the Intel Core i9-14900KF processor, running at 3.2 GHz, which effortlessly handles even the most demanding games and multitasking workloads. Whether you're running multiple applications, streaming, or rendering high-resolution content, this processor ensures everything runs smoothly without lag, giving you an edge in gaming and productivity alike. Coupled with the precision engineering of the Intel architecture, the system delivers speed and stability that meets the expectations of professional gamers and enthusiasts. The visual experience on this gaming PC is truly next level, thanks to the GeForce RTX 5060Ti graphics card. With this GPU, you get realistic graphics, vibrant colors, and smooth frame rates that make every game come alive. Ray tracing and AI-powered enhancements allow for incredible detail in textures and lighting, creating a more immersive gaming world. From fast-paced shooters to visually stunning RPGs, the RTX 5060Ti delivers consistently smooth performance with minimal stuttering, ensuring that you stay competitive and visually captivated throughout your gaming sessions. Memory and storage on the CLX Set Gaming PC are equally impressive. With 32GB of DDR5 RGB memory, you can run multiple applications without slowdown, and the high-speed RAM ensures games and programs load quickly. The 2TB NVMe SSD provides ample storage for your games, software, and media files while delivering blazing fast read and write speeds. This combination of memory and storage means you can experience near-instant loading times, quick boot-ups, and seamless transitions between applications, giving you the efficiency you need for both gaming and content creation. The cooling system is designed to keep this beast running at peak performance even during long gaming marathons. Equipped with a 360mm AIO liquid cooler, the CLX Set Gaming PC ensures that both the CPU and GPU maintain optimal temperatures, preventing thermal throttling and maintaining stable performance. Alongside this, the case features an elegant black design with RGB lighting, adding a stylish aesthetic that can match any gaming setup. The RGB effects can be customized to fit your personal style, enhancing the visual appeal of your setup while maintaining functionality. Connectivity and convenience are at the forefront with this PC. Built-in Wi-Fi support and wired networking options ensure stable, low-latency connections for online gaming or streaming. Multiple USB ports, HDMI outputs, and other connectivity options allow you to connect all your peripherals easily, whether it's gaming mice, keyboards, or additional monitors. Running Windows 11 Home, this CLX system provides access to the latest features, gaming optimizations, and a secure environment for both work and play. With all these high-end components, this PC doesn't just perform, it dominates, offering reliability, speed, and immersive gaming experiences that are hard to match. In short, the CLX Set Gaming PC is a complete package for gamers and creators who demand power, speed, and visual excellence. From the ultra-fast processor and stunning RTX graphics to the massive DDR5 memory and NVMe storage, every component has been designed for peak performance. Whether you're a professional gamer, content creator, or someone who simply wants a top-tier gaming rig, this system delivers the performance, reliability, and style you need to take your computing experience to the next level. With its advanced cooling, seamless connectivity, and elegant design, the CLX Set Gaming PC is not just a computer. It's a gaming powerhouse ready to tackle any challenge you throw at it.